Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing this makeup look. It's really fun and glowy especially for summer. It has purple and pink. I literally only used 2 eyeshadow, and one of them wasn't even an eyeshadow. One of them was a blush. So yeah, stay tuned. Keep on watching. I got something in my teeth. Ooh, I'm feeling this look, girl. Starting off with this color right here, I'm going to put that all over my eyelids. Damn, I look fucking crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna take this pink color right here. You could use like any blush color, like a very pink one, but it's fine. And I'll put that all over, mainly on my crease. And I'm gonna use this purple right here. I know it's shiny, but when you put it on, it's not shimmery. So my lips are becoming chappy, so moisturize them. Oh, I'm very girly right now with this pink and purple, but I'm gonna add some blue because my mommy said so, and the blue sky is saying to do. Actually, it's raining right now, so I really doesn't want to blend, so I'm gonna make it blend my nigga. Alright, so using the Anastasia Brown Wiz in dark brown, waiting to do them brows. I was already putting highlight in the inner quarter. I got so carried away that I forgot to do my eyebrows, so yeah.
Too much change on me, man.
So I'm gonna take the Champagne Pop Becca highlighter beach, and I'm gonna highlight them eyebrow, cause ooh girl, kind of don't want to put eyeliner because the eyeshadow is pretty cute itself. So I am just going to put some mascara on and some falsies, and I'll be back. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. Just going to add that on my face. So next I'm going to use the Maybelline Concealer in 25. I think it's a little bit dark for me, but I'm going to make it work. Oh no, this is good. Whoa, it's light. So I'm gonna take a brush like this and just blend it out. So I'm just going to take a translucent powder. Damn, I'm using all Maybelline. Damn. Alright, so alright, so next I'm going to be using this Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. I'm going to be using the same highlighter I used on my eyebrow. Becca Champagne Pop. Girl, get on it. Yes, come through. You know what it is. I'm the big dog, nigga, that's a fact. Corona Queens, you know where we at. RP to my nigga Black.
Just fucked your bitch up in the studio. All foes just like a rodeo. Hit the jeweler, bust the rollie though. Hopped in my fucked your bitch up in the studio.